Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to convert PDF to Word in your laptop just a few seconds. So let's begin our video. So at first on my home screen there you can see this is a PDF. There you can see it's a PDF file and I want to convert it PDF to document file. So how can I do that? So first I copy and then open this PC and drop it document, paste here. There you can see this is PDF and I want to convert it in document file. So for that, now I open my document Word application. Now go on open, go to browser and then open document and find out where is this PDF file, and there you can see it's your PDF file. So just select it, just select your PDF, then go here. You need to go here and find out Word document. There you can see Word document, select it. Now what should you do? Just open it and just select OK, just mark on OK, and then you can change your PDF file to Word document in your PC offline. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.